Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send money on PayPal. So let's begin. So here we are in paypal.com, and of course you need to log into your account first. And from here, as you can see, I am using a personal account, but if you're using a business account just like this one, the process is basically the same, but it will look different. As you can see, it's very different. The interface is very different right here. But the process is the same. You just need to click here on send money for the business account. And if you're using a personal account, you just click here on send money. And after this, the process is basically the same. And from here, you want to type the name, maybe the username, email, or mobile number of that person, depending on the information they gave. So usually it will be an email. So you just gotta type the email right here that you want to send it to. Let me type it just like this one. And after that, it would appear right here at the bottom as the search results, and you want to click on that person. And from here, you will be prompted into how much you want to send. So in my case, for example, I just want to send 500. And after that, you can also convert or change the currency that you want. So in my case, I'd want it to be in Canadian dollars. And here it is. As you can see, the 500 Canadian dollars would amount to this in PHP, and you could also just convert this. So notice here that this is saying right here, you send and the recipient gets this amount right here. So make sure that you're inputting the correct amount right here and the correct currency. So in my case, since I'm in the Philippines, I'll be using the Philippine pesos. So from here, I'm going to type 500, and from here, this would be converted into Canadian dollars. So this is what the recipient would get in Canadian dollars. And after you have done that, then you could also add a description right here on what this payment is for. Maybe it's for work, or maybe it's a gift, and you can just put it right here if you'd want, but you could also ignore that. And after that, you want to click on continue. And from here, you would be prompted with two choices, if this is a good or services, or maybe just for friends and family. So it's up to you on what your payment is for and what it applies. So in my case, I'll just go for friends and family and continue. And after this, you want to link payment method. So you could also use your PayPal balance if you have it, or you could use your bank account or credit card right here. You just need to link it. And after that, you're basically all good. You would be able to successfully send it to that person. And that's basically it.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.